Let's learn how to create a whip-pan blur transition in Premiere Pro. First, place your two clips side by side on the timeline. Go to your project panel, right-click, select New Item, then choose Adjustment Layer. Click OK to confirm the default settings. Next, right-click the adjustment layer in the project panel and select Speed/Duration. Set the duration to 8 frames. Drag the adjustment layer above your clips and position it so it's centered on the cut between them. Tip: select the adjustment layer and press Alt+Arrow keys to fine-tune its position. Now open the Effects panel, search for Push, and drag it between the two clips on the timeline. In the Effect controls, set the duration to 8 frames and alignment to center at cut. Then search for Directional Blur in the Effects panel and drag it onto the adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, set the direction to 90 degrees and the blur length to 100. That's it. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.